So how to get people to respond to you on Instagram. So business owners don't like being sold to. And if they see that an agency account or an account that looks like a salesman or someone who is trying to sell them stuff, they won't respond to you. That's why it's best to use a personal Instagram account that looks like you or a normal person. So step one, make your profile picture look like a customer to your niche. So for example, if your niche is basketball coaches, then the first profile picture will get you 10 times more responses than the second picture because it might be a customer to basketball coaches and they don't have sales resistance, right? So this does look like a customer, whilst this looks like an agency and they put up their guard, their sales resistance, and they don't respond to you at all. So the lesson is that we need to use a profile picture that looks like a customer. So step 2 is your bio. Do not make it a sales pitch. Make it look like a normal person's profile. Tell your story shortly, like working on basketball skills and improving my mind. Tips, you can look at your friend's bio and copy them to look more natural and less salesy. Step 3, posts and stories. You can just post like a normal person, like post stories, post of yourself, of your friends, like normal person would use Instagram, right? Make it look natural, like a real person who has nothing to sell, right? Big bonus if you can get the blue verification next to your name. That will make it easier for people to trust you because it shows that you're a real person and not a bot, and you get better response rates. You do need to pay for it though, so it's just like a bonus tip if you want extra good response rates. Now, warning, before you start. Now you can use your main Instagram account for this, but you're probably too scared of people judging you. And I don't blame you. I was like that too when I started. And what I did is I still used my own Instagram account. Even though people were saying, "Oh, whoa, like he's doing a business, blah blah." Who cares? I'm doing a business. They're partying, and like nobody cares. Everybody will forget it the next day. So just do your business. Go outside your comfort zone, and then you get so much more done and such a better account. So the biggest thing is what you can do is you can block people from seeing your posts and stories also if you feel better in your small heart, or you can just create a new account, right? If you create a new account, you will need to warm it up. So your old account is warmed up, you had it for ages, so Instagram trusts you. New accounts, you need to warm it up because they are not warm. So there's more restrictions and things like that, right? Need to warm it up, and it has stricter rules for the amount of DMs you can send per day and per hour. If you create more accounts, you can send out more DMs daily, right? That makes sense. Now, let's say one account can send 20 to 45 DMs a day. 20 is already a big number, so I would recommend from 10 to 15 to 20 and maximum 45, but your account will be cooked in like 2 months. So I would not recommend doing that. Now, that's a day. So 20 to 45 DMs a day and 5 to 10 an hour, just to be safe, right? If you have 5 accounts, you can send out around 200 DMs a day. That's a crazy number. You could do it, but your accounts will be cooked very, very fast. What I used to do 100 to 150 and some days 200. So you can mix it up, but yeah, you should stay around that range to get results. Remember, it's numbers game. Don't expect to get your first client after 10 DMs. So you need to reach out to a lot of people. When I was doing this, I used to send out 100 to 200 DMs a day. These numbers will give you results. So don't start with 200 immediately because you need to increase the amount gradually each day. And be careful because new accounts are more sensitive and can easily be blocked or restricted. So I recommend starting at 50 to 100 DMs a day and then increasing it by 5 to 10 day by day. Now, here's a guide on making lists for Instagram outreach. You just click here and watch the guide. Here's how to track your numbers. A tracking guide, you just make a copy of it. And here's how to make templates. You also just watch it. And that should be everything you need to get your first client. Now, if you want the whole community and all of these documents that I've showed you in this video, what you can do is you can click the link below and join our free SMMA community.